स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो अनबक्सिङ भिडियोमा। Thanks to Daraj for delivering such a wonderful goods. So we have G-Frame को mechanical keyboard that is KA646. So let's see what's inside this box. So we will get a connector that A to C and a couple of hot-swappable switches. That is blue switches, so this obviously sounds so clicky. We got a clipper that helps us to exchange our keycaps and switches. So at the same time we will get manual. Jun Porera, we can learn how to control the amazing RGB light of this keyboard. So read it carefully. So हामीसँग रहेको छ keyboard which is in black and white pattern. Looks so beautiful. This keyboard have two layer of stand, so you can adjust it according to your needs. First level of stand ma a little comfortable huncha. If you need more height, you can adjust it by pulling the second level of stand. So मलाई त मन पर्यो कीबोर्ड। अब हजुरहरुको पालो। Enjoy.